Hello WBB stars, my name is Bruno Timperman, welcome to Bruut. Today we are starting with a new dish as a fresh scallops with butternut squash, cardamom, lemon thyme and Armagnac cured young nuts. So we start with a fresh scallop. As you can see, they're really alive. So what we're going to do right now is try to replicate a little bit the scallop as he is. So by using butternut squash, we cook this in the oven, we let it caramelize under the skin. We're going to use the dark parts and the orange parts to replicate the inside of the scallop. Okay. So first we remove the beard. Don't throw away the beard because we need it for making the sauce. So give this a good rinse. So what we're doing now, we leave it on the shell. So we have this we're gonna rinse in water. So the butternut has been pre-cooked. This is also a little bit look-alike of the coral of the scallop. You take a pincet, you cut a piece out. You put this around the scallop. We give it a little bit a natural touch as the beard of the scallop. What we do further, we caramelize this on higher temperature so it becomes totally dark. Then we mix it together with these nuts who are brined in Armagnac, who become totally black. They are young nuts before they have before they are woody, and also a little bit of fermented garlic. After we mix everything, we have this kind of paste that replicates a little bit like the stomach of the scallop. So later for the sauce, these are the components of the sauce. With of course the scallop roe, we dry it, we grate it, we use some shallot, we cut this is cardamom leaves, and we stew everything together, and we use the alcohol from the nuts to have a certain flavor, it's a sweet flavor, and also a little bit nutty flavor. Okay. So go back to the scallop dish. We have here a little bit of a burnt lemon powder. It's a little bit the same color as the stomach. Okay. So later on, we're going to put this in the oven on 220-230 degrees. This scallop needs around 4 minutes to have a perfect cooking. So here you see already some juice boiling that is made from this product. So for the replication of the scallop, still attached to the shell, so we have the dark caramelized butternuts, we have the inside fibers replicating the beard of the scallop. Now we add a little bit of brown butter on the scallop. The nutty flavors, the butter fits really good with the butternut squash. Okay, so now we close the lid, we season a little bit of salt. Closing the lid. Now I put this for 4 minutes in the oven at 230 degrees. So what we do, so with the beards, we wash really good the beards. The scallop roe, we dry, first salt it, then we dried it, then we grate it, then we start with shallots, with this dried scallop roe, and also the beards of the scallop. Also we cut some of these green nuts who became totally black. All together we stew it. When it starts to lose this liquid, we add the armagnac from the nuts. So we leave it to simmer to have all the taste from the scallops. Then we add a little bit of butter, and then when the scallop is ready, we add this foamy in the scallop, served table-wise. So, scallop should be ready for a minute. So what we do then, on the table side, we come with the sauce. We open the scallop. As you can see, it's cooked medium rare, like I love it. So this is a replication of scallops with butternut squash, with an infusion of cured nuts and armagnac, please.